Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. Okay, we're going to season our chicken with some soy sauce, chili powder, all right, some black pepper, wonderful, and then we're going to hit it with some flour. And let's mix this all up together nicely, okay? Just mix this nicely. We want to incorporate all those flavors. That's what we want, okay? Mix it nicely. Wonderful. Just incorporate everything. Get that nice moisture. Get those flavors going. That's good. That's what we want. Oh, that looks great. That's what you want. All right, now we're going to add our chicken into our pan with a little bit of oil, as you see, vegetable oil. All right, stand back. It's going to be a little sizzle. All right, wonderful. We want to brown this up nicely, and I'll show you exactly where we want it to be. Okay, guys, this is what we want. Oh, delicious. Stir fry.